Hello, guys. Today's lecture is gonna be very interesting. It is about word formation process. You know that we have discussed some of the terms of the word formation process of English language in previous lecture. I'm gonna give the link in the description, and we will discuss today word formation process. The three terms of word formation process today. Okay, the first one is compounding, second one is blending, and third one is clipping. And in the previous lecture we have discussed coinage, uh, borrowing, and a loan translation calque also. So we will discuss today these terms. Okay, compounding. What the compounding is actually the this involves combining separate words to create a new term. This is very easy. Compound is clear. The term itself is clear that we use two words to make one word. Examples include bookcase. Book is one word and case is another word. Sunburn. Sun is one word and burn is another word. And fresh food. Fast is one word and a food is another word. So this is called what? This full word is called compound, and compound word, and the process is called compounding. Okay, if one word mix with we add one word with another word and it gives a sense, a meaning, that is called compound word, and the process is called compounding. Okay, examples, we will have some examples here, like bookworm, combining book and a worm to describe a person who enjoys reading. And you know that book is meaningful, worm is meaningful, and bookworm is also meaningful. Got it? So this is called a compounding. Okay, next is blending. Okay, what the blending is, we will know now. Blending combines parts of two separate words to create a new word. Examples include brunch, breakfast, plus lunch, and smoke, smoke plus fog. Very interesting. Blending means that we combine part of a word and part of another word. We take two parts to make a new word. For example, we have a very beautiful example here, brunch. Here the sound we can say bru, and fast, fast, sorry, lunch, lunch. Now ch from here and nch from here, unch from here, and br from breakfast. This is brunch. Now smog, sm from smo from, or sm from uh, smog, and oke from fog. Sorry, smog is equal to smoke plus fog. Sm from smoke and og from fog. Now this is smog, a new word. Got it? There will be the explanation of this word we will discuss now. Okay, another example we have infomercial, a very new term for us. Infomercial, blending information and commercial to describe a television program that combines informational content with advertising. This is a new word. We here we some part of this word information and some part of commercial we add it, and this is infomercial is a new word. Okay, next is clipping. Clipping involves shortening a word by removing one or more syllables. Now, in the first, we combined two words and we made a new word. That is our compounding. Second one was blending. We took some part of words, some syllables of words, and we combined them. We combined them to make a new words. Third one is, this is clipping. In clipping, it involves the shortening a word by removing one or more syllables. In this we remove syllables of words, like we have the examples Examples include ad, advertisement. In short, we say ad. Fax, this is facsimile. Facsimile, the short form is fax. And math, mathematics. Now the short form of mathematics is math. These are the three examples. I hope you have understood this lecture. We discussed only three things in this lecture, and we have discussed clipping, blending, and compounding. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. You will watch the upcoming videos. Allah Hafiz.